Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and this is the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. Now this is a piece of tech that I've been looking forward to for quite some time now, so in today's video we're going to do a very quick unboxing to see exactly what you get in the box and also my very early first impressions. So once you crack inside the box, the first thing you're going to be getting is some paperwork in regards to how to use the OSMO Mobile 2 and also some warranty information. You're then going to get the OSMO itself in this carrying pouch. Now this is more of a temporary carrying pouch, I wouldn't use this necessarily full time. Now you've got a micro USB cable, and you all know how I feel about micro USB, it should definitely be USB Type-C. Now I myself have never had any product at all by DJI, and I've never really used an OSMO apart from in the Apple store where you can test it out. Now unfortunately it doesn't come with any charge, but the good news is it's got a rechargeable battery that will get you from 0 to 100 in around 2 hours and then last you 15 hours on a charge, which is way better than the original OSMO. Now you do also have a USB in the back here, so if you do need to charge your device while you're using the OSMO, you've got the option to do so, so it kind of acts a little bit like a power bank, which is great, and then you've got the micro USB just on the side here to actually charge it. So what I am going to do is just put this on a quick charge and give you my very first early impressions of the OSMO Mobile 2.
2 hours later.
And then as you can see, boom, everything is up and running after a 2-hour charge. Now like I mentioned, I haven't really used any OSMO products before from DJI, so this to me is completely brand new, and it did take a little bit of getting used to in regards to balancing the device. It's not necessarily as easy as you'd think it would be, but once everything's balanced and ready to go, as you can see here, this thing is extremely stable. Also when you are panning around, it's got a really nice follow mode as well, so in regards to when you're turning it from left to right, it's not going to jolt around it, it's very smooth, and this is something really that I haven't been able to get with my smartphone just using my hands. This thing is seriously awesome when you are moving it around. Now I'll go into more detail in the full review, but as you can see here, you've got all the controls at your thumb. So you've got the mode button, you've got a dial to actually move it around again, left, right, up and down. Unfortunately you can't do any sort of diagonal movements, which is a little bit of a shame, but not really too much of an issue. You've then got the shutter button and a zoom in and zoom out button as well, so if you do want to zoom in and get something really precise, you've got the option. As I mentioned, the micro USB is just on the side there with the full size USB on the back. On the bottom you do also have a standard tripod mount, so if you do want to go completely overboard and also use this on a tripod, then you've got the option to do so. And to be honest guys, that's going to do it for this video. As I mentioned, I'm going to be having loads more content on the OSMO 2 on the channel very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to see everything that I've got coming up. I'm going to be doing some cinematic tests where I'm just going to do a complete video only using the OSMO 2 to see exactly how good it is, plus look out for my in-depth review, which will be coming after I've used it for a longer period of time. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any questions or comments about the OSMO 2 or anything you want me to look at in the video, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also don't forget to follow me on all of my social networks from Facebook, Instagram and also Twitter, and they're all going to be linked down below, which is also where you'll find that like button if you enjoyed this video and also the subscribe button if you want to get more videos moving forward. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.